Change of base formula is something that we use because most calculators have a log key, which is base 10, and an LN key, which is obviously a base E. And you can calculate base 10 problems, you can calculate base E problems, but you couldn't calculate something like this. Okay, your calculator, you can't type this in. The newer 84s now actually give you that option. So the change of base formula though is basically saying if you take something like this, you can take any base you want. Okay, as long as you take the same base with both and you put X above and A below and you do this calculation, it'll be the same as this. So for example, I talked about how you only have these two keys in your calculator. If I want to change both these to base 10, I could say log, and by the way, I don't need to put 10 here, of 10 divided by log of 3, and that's something I can put in my calculator. Or I can have base BE, so I can do ln of 10 divided by ln of 3, and you can put that in a calculator. So if you did put that in the calculator, you should probably get about 3.1-ish, because obviously 2.1, because 3 squared is 9, so it's just above that. But that allows us to get an accurate approximation of what this is. Otherwise, it would be with the calculators we couldn't. So if your problem says something like this, you got log base 5 to the x, rewrite this as a base of 2. Well, I just make 2 my base, and I use sort of this formula. So it would be log base 2 to the x, what a sloppy 2, and log base 2 to the 5. What if it says do something like this with base 3? Well, this would be log base 3. Okay, now what's on top is x over log base 3. And by the way, I put this one on purpose because I want you to realize this is the same as log base e to the x. So you sort of see a little tricky one there. All right, so that's change of base. And once again, it allows us to do stuff with our calculators.